If you have been using the Opera's MiniPay digital wallet by Opera Mini to make your transactions, this is another video you will not want to miss. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a virtual dollar account and order money from different banks internationally. Here, this app just functions like the OPay bank accounts that we all have, where you can open a bank account from anywhere using your phone. That is how this app actually works. Here, you are actually partnering with building, or let's say you are actually opening a US bank account. It's more like a virtual bank account that you are opening, and those companies that you are opening accounts with are in collaboration with Opera Mini's MiniPay. All right, so we are basically opening a virtual US bank account, and after creating that virtual bank account, you'll be given all your banking information, your IBAN number that you'll be using to make any transfer, or in case your friends or relative in abroad wants to send money to you, you can send them this IBAN virtual bank account that you're going to be creating with this Opera's digital wallet, and they are going to be sending that money to the wallet, and any money that is traded or sent into this wallet will be automatically converted to USDT. So that is what I'll be showing you in this video. Do not ensure you don't miss out in this video for any reason. Watch this video to the end, and if you are new in the channel and want to know more about this MiniPay, go ahead and watch the previous videos that I created. I'll be dropping the links right at the video description. Go ahead and watch them to have full understanding on how this app really works. So without further ado, let's get started. So now, to get yourself verified, you need to provide either any government issued ID card. After that, you make a liveness check. A liveness check means that you will make a little video of yourself, grant access to the app, and make a video of yourself. Okay, and after that, you now send in your provide your personal information and complete the questions that will be asked to you. And after that is done, you complete your phone number verification, and then you go ahead and click on start verification. Okay, now you have known all of this. This is what you will be told to submit. Okay, now you have known all of this, you have to make sure that everything is handy. All right, then now you go ahead and click on start the verification to start the process. This is the final process that will create the account for you. All right, so go ahead and click on agree and continue. So Nigeria is my country. I will just go ahead and type and select any of these. Now I can select national ID card. I believe any of this is the fastest. If you are currently in Nigeria, you can use any of these. That is the fastest. Okay, now you can use national ID card, which is the name or the bank verification number. Okay, so I will prefer national I'll prefer this BVN. All right, any of this is okay. Okay, can select any of them, is very, very fine. So I'll go ahead and select national NIN, which is national ID card, and then as soon as that is done, you go ahead and insert that NIN serial number at the back of your national ID card. It's always an 11 pin. Just go ahead and insert it right here. Okay, and after inserting it right here, go ahead and click on submit data. All right, process, go ahead and click on this deposit. As soon as you click on this deposit, it will take you where you can start the process. Just go ahead and click on this virtual bank account. You tap on it. Then as soon as you tap on it, it is going to load up the start page where we can start the process. Okay, just go ahead and select your country. You can type your country right at the search bar, or you can just search for it manually right here. Okay, here, since I'm using located in Nigeria, I'll just type here Nigeria. So you click on the country Nigeria, and then go ahead and click on continue again. Then you add your email. Okay, you select an email of your choice and add it right here. All right. And as soon as you select your email, go ahead and click on continue again. Your email will be used to be sent messages like receipt and all of that. Whatsoever receipt you have, it will be forwarded to your email in the future. That's why it's always advisable you add your email. So here, just go ahead and select that continue. You select, after selecting the continue, you will now be asked to select either a US bank account to create. Do you want to create a United States dollar account or a European dollar account? That is what you are asked to confirm. So any of these wallets will be okay to create. So you can see, based on the information you provided, you are eligible for virtual accounts in these currencies. All right, so you are eligible to create a virtual account in any of these currencies. So you go ahead and create and click on start verification now. So new, it will take you to the next step where you can go and submit snap your face, and then these are the things that you are supposed to do. You are supposed to find a bright environment and then snap yourself. All right, you are supposed to snap yourself. So what you are supposed to do is to find a good environment, and then you ensure your face it is within the center of the camera. All right, it is just within the center of the camera of your phone. So you have to grant, as soon as you click on this continue, it will demand that you grant the app permission to your camera. Just go ahead and grant the app permission to your camera, and then do not wear any hat while you are doing this camera video. Okay, because as soon as you grant the app permission to your camera, it is going to open your phone to make a few minutes video. All right, so just go ahead and make sure you follow this step. Do not wear a hat or glass or whatsoever, a mask, and ensure your face is positioned right in the center of the phone. Then you go ahead and click on continue, and then when you click on continue, that task will be completed, that camera task will be completed, and then it's going to take you to the next step. So you just have to go ahead and insert your citizenship. Like I'm a Nigerian, I will insert Nigeria here, insert my resident country, still select Nigeria again as your residence country, and then go ahead and insert your bank verification number right here, insert your email, and then you click on continue. After that, just go ahead and insert the phone number that they'll be using to send you a verification code for this. Just go ahead and insert your phone number and click on send verification code. The code will be sent to your phone. Go ahead and copy that code and come and paste right there. All right, and come and paste it right at this section right here. Insert this section, and then while you are inserting this, ensure that this number doesn't elapse to 00. Well, once it elapses to 00, you are gonna be resending the code again. All right, so you have to be as fast as possible. Okay, so after that code is being sent, just go and copy the code and insert here, and then when you insert this code right here, it will take you to the next step where you verify your personal information. This personal information has to do with your address, where you live, and all of that. So go ahead and insert it, and then once you complete this step is going to show, once you complete your submitting your address, your government issued ID card, and then once you've done your liveliness check, which is performing a little video of few seconds, and then once you've verified your phone number, these are going to be ticked accepted as they are showing right here. Okay, and then you can now go and submit this questionnaire. Is what you'll be doing. This is the final task that you're going to be doing. As soon as you do this and complete this task right here by submitting your personal information, you can now start the verification process. Okay, so you click on that start verification process. Go ahead and insert this, just highlight all of this, fill in all of this information so that you can create a virtual IBAN account. All right, this virtual IBAN account is very, very necessary. That's why you have to ensure that you fill in all this information as they are showing. Okay, as they are showing right here. So you go ahead, and after filling it, you take it to this next step. So you just go ahead and insert your list 5 countries that you want to be as a counterpart country to your account. These 5 countries, which are counterpart countries to your account, are the 5 countries that are mostly that your transaction are gonna be 100% dominated by. Okay, let's say you choose a United Kingdom, like I chose United Kingdom, I chose Canada, and I also chose France and 2 other countries. That means that any currency that is coming from any of those 5 countries are going to be can be easily transferred this um, to this MiniPay. Let's say, for instance, like you want to transact currency that has to do with Swiss franc and the Euro or Europe or pounds. So far as those countries, those 5 countries that you have selected are making use of any of those currencies, then that means that they can be transferred automatically to this wallet. Okay, I hope that is clear enough. And that is the essence of these counterpart countries. You can transfer dollar. Any 5 country that you select can be used to transfer um any currencies. So they just want you to have at least 5 counterpart currencies. That means that you can transfer 5 different currencies automatically into this OP, and it's going to be converted to USDT immediately. All right. So you go ahead and click on continue. After selecting those countries, then it will take you to this step. Go ahead and fill in all this information that you see right here. Fill in all this information, and then when you are done, you click on, you still fill in these ones, all of them right here. You fill them, then you click on continue, and then boom, your account is created. This is your virtual dollar account. This is your virtual dollar account. Here is my beneficiary account name. Here is my IBAN account, and here is my Swift BIC, and here is the international account that was created on my name. All right, and this is the address of the bank that was just created. Now, the essence of this virtual bank account by OPay are partner companies that are in partnership with this OPay that are helping you and I, the individuals, create an international account. Just like if you are creating an OPay, for instance, I want to create an OPay account. You can use your app automatically and create an OPay account. And then when you create that OPay account from your phone, you can create a bank account. That is how this company works. All right, that is how this company works. Now, these companies are in partnership with MiniPay to allow you and I to create an account, an international account. I hope that is clear enough. Now, when you create an international account, all this information will be given to you. All right, and then you can now go ahead and now insert, copy it and save it in the save environment, and then go ahead and continue. Click on continue, and then you copy your address, click on continue, and then boom, your account is now ready for transaction. So here is my account that I have just successfully created. All right, so this is how to create your virtual account. In the next video that I'll be creating, I'll be showing you how to use this account effectively to buy things and order for transactions internationally. All right, so ensure that if you are new in the channel, you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification so that whenever I'm dropping the next video, you'll always be notified on time. And do your best to join the Telegram group where I drop updates regarding any posts that I've dropped on our channel on time. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share to your friends, and if you have any question, leave them in the comment section, and see you in the next video.